Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about Love Team. Kung saan, sarap balikan ng teenager years at childhood pa. Balikan muna natin yan. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto pag-like, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin ng 500 subscribers if support na sa ating social media account. Latest vlog po natin 261 and episode 261 and title My Love Team Partners. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Naman na natin sa 90s. My favorite 90s moment that Spencer Reyes and Ice Guerra ay 90s love team from OK Caperico at sa pelikula Computer Comeback. Ay, comeback pala, hindi comeback. Na recently nag-guest si Spencer Reyes sa Eat Bulaga segment na Therapy. Ay, sayang. Makikita sana si Ice Guerra. Formerly Aiza. Nakadress. Nakadress siya sa Therapy. Kasi sa mga di makalimon, dati ka-love team ni Aiza. At ang throwback picture, kasama ni Spencer si Aiza sa isang dyaryo at na-post on Instagram account. Tapos yung second picture, yan yung bis babae sa segment na Therapy ng Eat Bulaga with other singing girls as Ice, Ice Baby, Kari. Ayan. Nanamiss kasi ni Ice at si Spencer. 2005 sa EB Landed Special 2005 na Perfect with Big Soto. And nakaroon ng reunion sa isang YouTube channel ng GMA Papi Cafe na nagyakap. Siyempre. So, na-miss na po yung Spencer Aiza love team. Yan. Malaman natin yan. Thank you very much para gagawa ng paraan sa Eat Bulaga. Malalaman natin. And about happy birthday, Big Soto. Second love team, punta tayo sa 2000s. Pero sa Philippine Idol. Miguel Mendoza and Apple Chu. Miguel finished 4th at Apple finished 7th place. So, naging love team partner ng Philippine Idol. Siyempre, in 2008, sumali si Miguel sa PDA. Habang sa PDA, nag-guest sa The Singing na nakita ang ex-BF niya. Anong kanta? Endless Love by Lilo Richie and Diana Ross Oy 80s. At syempre, na-meet for the second time no May 31, 2009. Ay, na-miss kasi yung Miguel Apple. Na ngayon, I'm happy to be married na si Apple Chu with Papo Sosomon. At isa lang yung babaeng anak. While Miguel is now a born-again Christian from Catholic. Now, for 2010's past, Aldab Nations, Alden Richards, and May Mendoza or Yaya the sa mga pelikula like Imagine You and Me at Destined to Be Yours. Ito ay split screen, on-screen, split screen partner na 2010s. Na ngayon ay wala na, hiwalay na sila. That Alden is now with Catherine Bernardo and May is happy to be married now with Ajong Atayde. And sana makabuntis na si May Mendoza kay Ajong. Congrats! Ajong Atayde and May Mendoza Atayde. And in our new decades of the G's generation, 2020s, Stephanie and Michael Sager ng Kapuso Network via Sparkle use #frenemies and #soundtrip. Yeah! Siyempre sa music video na makakita ka na from the self-titled debut album, kiligan pa rin si Stephanie kay Michael Sager. Mapapanood si Japanese sa All of Sundays at Dahil Kayo na Lola Ko. While Michael Sager ay preparation para sa new show Shining Inheritance. Soon on GMA Prime Time. Yan po for our love team. Na-miss kasi love team. See you next time. Oras na para sa New Music Friday. Ayan, para sa ating New Music Friday, new songs from Sia and Paris Hilton, Chika Marie, G22+, duet version ni na James Arthur at Kelly Clarkson. Yan. Stream na on Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube Music. Nakikita mo yung new song dito sa New Music Friday. Ayan po for our latest vlog. Bye! God bless!